Hey, welcome to my channel, and you're watching 1000 1000 tips learn about drawing manga. And today I want to continue to talk about the anatomy. And yeah, so basically, if you want to draw the leg, you can't just this is just previously I just draw here, got this waist area, and just draw directly down here like this, which is wrong because we got the muscle, even though even though got like a really slim person, still got muscle, because we got like a bone pelvis down below, and is properly got shape. But even though the bone do not necessarily have that shape of extrusion, but the muscle will like curve and make it outside a little bit. So instead of just draw a straight line down, but rather I want to consider we got like a sphere in here. So let me just draw a reference sphere. Hopefully will clarify things, because that is the area, and like a joint. Okay, because joint do need a place to go around. Let me just draw that. Okay, it's a very bad sphere. Okay, once you got that, and you can just draw down below, so you can continue to draw the down below part. Okay, so extrusion got it outside, going something like this. Okay, and here, so instead of just draw a straight line, I'm going to curve a little bit, and then going down, something like this. And here, also curve a little bit, then drawing down, and outside here, so the tangent line of the ball, curve a little bit, and drawing down. Okay, so that will be, yeah, this is a really messy line, sorry about that. So let me just if I use pencil, it will be much better. So yeah, that's what I learned about drawing legs. Okay.